I'll build my world around you, and I pray to love enough of me to stay. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me go. I can take another minute of the day without you in it. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, then set me free. Take the chains away that keep me loving you. The arms that open wide to hold me closer, the hands that run their fingers through my hair, the smile that says hello, it's good to see you. Anytime I turn around to find you there, and it's this and so much more that makes me love you. What else can I do to make you see? You know you have whatever's mine to give you, but a love affair for one can never be. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me go. I can take another minute of the day without you in it. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, then set me free. Take the chains away that keep me loving you. Oh, take the chains away that keep me loving
As a psychedelic cowboy left impressions on a half-empty barroom he just played, and a hippie girl from Austin waited patiently in the alley to fulfill the plans they made. They drove the Studebaker toward the sunrise, then pulled into the Cactus Tree Motel. The sky glowed like mescaline around them as they promised love no love song could fulfill. If you ever leave, I'm going with you. Words whispered softly in the night. We may have been high when we wrote it in the sky, but I'll keep that promise with me till I die. A wild painted pony crossed the highway, an omen that we both thought was good. like a morning lullaby, or an eagle as she flies. Signs we could have not misunderstood. If you ever leave, I'm going with you. Words whispered softly in the night. Now we may have been high when we wrote it in the sky, but I'll keep that promise with me till I die.